Leaks in refrigerant circuits pose a high risk potential. Not only increased damage to the environment due to leaking refrigerant, but also the inefficiency of a technical system, including a fault shutdown, must be avoided. This can be achieved by regular checks using a refrigerant leak detector, for example. Today I would like to show you how easy it is to carry out leak detection with the Wöhler RL 200 refrigerant leak detector. Before we start leak detection, it is important to switch on the Wöhler RL 200 refrigerant leak detector in contamination-free air. After the warm-up phase, an acoustic signal is emitted and the leak detector is ready for use. Using the flexible gooseneck and adjustable sensitivity, we will now slowly scan connection points such as valves, flanges and pipe connections slowly. If refrigerant leaks and we detect refrigerant gas, there is an acoustic signal, and the intervals between the acoustic signals become shorter, and the numerical display increases in value between 0 and 7. Leak detection with the Wöhler RL 200 refrigerant leak detector is that simple.